education is clause 456. So we have reservation in education implemented through the First Amendment Act 1951. Reservation for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, socially and educationally backward classes, okay, in government schools and colleges. Later on extended to all schools and colleges, and later on we also added one more community, EWS. Yes or no? The 103rd Amendment Act 2022. Oh sorry, 2019, my bad. 2019. 22 it was upheld. So EWS, economically weaker sections. These two criteria. There is an exception. What is the exception? Exception is MEIs. What are MEIs? Minority educational institutions. They are exceptions. You can't enforce this reservation there. Okay? Reservation matrix, scheduled caste people 15%, scheduled tribes 7.5%, SEBC, socially and educationally backward classes 27%, economically weaker section, how much? 10%. Done. That's it. Then we have one more reservation. Persons with disabilities, how much is that? 4%. Okay? And then we have some horizontal reservation. What is horizontal reservation? Reservation within reservation. For example, for PWDs you have 4% reservation. Yes? In this 4%, 1% says for visual handicapped people, 1% for deaf, dumb and mute, 1% for locomotor disability, etc. That is called reservation inside reservation, horizontal reservation.